First, we will begin with looking at what part of speech this, that, these, and those are. In English, these words are called demonstratives and are used to show the distance between the speaker and the noun. We use them to show how far or near something or someone is from us. If the subject is singular, the demonstrative will also be singular. If the subject is plural, the demonstrative will also be plural. How to use this and that. We use this when describing something near or close by. We use that when describing something that is far away. This is her book. It is close to her. That is his book. It is far from him. This house is next to him. That house is far away from him. I have a book in my hands. This book is red. I see a book on your table. That book is purple. I have a cell phone in my hands. This cell phone is black. I see a cell phone on your table. That cell phone is white. I have a plate of food in front of me. This food looks delicious. She has a lot of food. That food looks amazing. I have a credit card in my hand. This is my credit card. He has a credit card. That is his credit card. When we say this book, we are saying the book is near me. When we say that book, the book is not near me. Try to guess which statement belongs to the correct photo. This is my coffee. That is your coffee. Which picture uses this and which picture uses that? This is my coffee. That is your coffee. Did you get it correct? How did you do? If you got it correct, you're doing great. If not, don't worry. We're going to have a lot more practice. Now, let's get into our next lesson, which includes pronunciation and speaking practice to help you become like a native.